Happy holidays, Gotham Geek girl here, tech lovers. I have the perfect gift for you from Duracell. I attended Pepcom's Holiday Spectacular press event and I got to test out so many cool new products and tech. Duracell gifted me the perfect device for the holiday season and tech geeks. It's the M100 portable power station. So Duracell helps you stay connected no matter where your celebrations take you this holiday season with their stylish and compact portable power solutions designed to keep you powered through all of your festive adventures. So let's check it out. Duracell's M100 portable charging station. It easily fits in a stocking. It's expertly designed with a compact, lightweight versatility needed to power any celebration. So this is, yeah, that's a great size. That's super awesome, easy to travel. You can even take it on a plane according to specific guidelines. Super cool. You can hold your phone while it wirelessly charges. You can charge your phone on the lid while charging your earbuds on the platform. You can use it as a phone holder, a video call tool, a study aid, a wireless charger, a mobile media center, and so much more. There's so many things you can do with this. You can even charge your laptop. It has 3 phone charges, 2 tablet charges, 20 earbud charges, 25 smartwatch charges, and 2 drone charges. So Duracell, this is the perfect gift. The charging station, it's actually on sale right now. I believe the regular price is $129 US. The sale price is $89. So make sure to get yours now. You can power up phones, tablets, laptops, any small device you need for work and for life. It's super lightweight. This isn't heavy at all. It's compact. It features a tiltable phone holder with wireless charging platform underneath the lid. It comes with a charging dock, $39 value, and you no longer need to be tethered to the wall now that you have portable power and a phone holder for your work and leisure. You can use this for cooking. You can use it to study, to watch movies, power the possibilities. So just set up your charging dock. You just plug it into the wall, charge your power station by placing it on the charging dock. So I believe that's this, and it has about 3 hours recharge time. Or you can plug it directly into the wall using a USB-C cord, and it has about 2.7 hours for recharge time. You'll know your device is fully charged when you see 5 lights, so it'll light up for you. So that's these little dots here. This is where it goes on. That's the in out. It also has a USB, so you can charge, like I said, your laptop, your phone. You can store your device on the charging dock when you're home. If not in use for 4 hours, it will automatically shut off. And to reactivate the unit, you just press the on-off button. Wireless charging and 5W ports. There's a 1 USB-C port. It's pretty lightweight, 1.2 pounds, slim dock weight, 0.5 pounds, and it's perfect size. Like I said, you can actually just stick this in a stocking. So make sure to check this out from Duracell. This is absolutely perfect, and I love that it looks like a battery. It's super cute. Happy holidays, guys.